I'm mildly freaking out right now because I just filmed my video for Wild University. And I never thought in a million years that I would be doing that. And I'm just so excited, and I hope it turned out good because I was like hella nervous. So for the video, I'm doing the 10 most common business mistakes and how you can avoid them. So I'm doing more like a business related video. So I will let you guys know when that's going up. I think it's going up in sometime in December. And Wild University is really cool. Like, I was able to check it out and look at the different courses, and it's more than just planning. Like, there's actual like how to set up a charcuterie board and like some cool shit on there. So I'm pretty excited about it. So I just filmed that video. You heard the camera turn off, and I have so many things to show you that I just kind of wanted to start the vlog. I have been crafting up a storm. So I'm pretty sure I reached the epitome of cool with my little tote of fun. So it has all of my planner supplies right here. These have pens. This is my hand embroidery that I'll show you guys next when I'm working on. And then I have my macrame stuff. So all of my cords, some shorter cords that I used in other projects, and my like wooden rings. And then this is my hand embroidery stuff. So I just tote this bad boy around the house like the cool kid I am. So I wanted to rearrange my backdrop a little bit. So I put this vine plant all the way up and around. It used to just be in the background, but she's elegant. So I wanted to give her a little more stardom. Then I have my Celeste, a little fantastic Mr. Fox, some squishy bread, just a few little trinkets that make me happy. Anyone notice Lilu from The Fifth Element? Huh? Cool kid points. So this is an Erin Condren folio that I've turned into my hand embroidery little kit. So it has a little pin cushion with my needles on it. I have like a little thumb thing here, some like instructions, my scissors, and then behind it is my current project that Taylor, my friend, got me. Okay, cool. So I'm almost done with this. I have a couple more coming and a bunch on my Christmas wish list. So I'm an embroidery fool now. And then I have the, like, what it looks like back here. So this one's from Lucy Stitches, but they also like carry embroidery things on Amazon. But if you want to support like an Etsy shop, you can go to this one. This one's pretty good. They all have swear words, which I don't know where you're at on that, but I'm cool with it. Just me, looking fresh to death today. I'm going to climb a rock wall later. It's snowing, kind of excited about that, but I'm also freezing. So I have this giant sweater on. I just submitted my Wild University video, so hopefully that goes well and they like it, and this is one of many, hopefully, if they like it. Did I show you my embroidery? I showed you my embroidery. How am I so forgetful today? So thank you guys so much for all of your feedback on the which planner to choose for 2021. I think I'm gonna go plum paper, and let me move my keys. I think I have put a Erin Condren cover on it to kind of give me Erin Condren vibes, but it's the one I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try plum paper for 2021. I'm happy with this decision. It's a good one. Real good. I mean, it's not a ton of snow, but it still counts. Well, this kind of makes working difficult. So I found this peanut clusters recipe online, and you do it in the crock pot. You know how much I love my crock pot. These are so good. They're still very warm, but I might be sampling them a little bit. Gonna have to probably make a whole other batch. This is how much one batch made. I will link the recipe below. I swear, I wear other clothes and occasionally other glasses, but it looks like it's just the same day repeating itself, which is also fitting. Yeah. So ironically enough, a couple of clips ago, I swore I had figured it out and I was gonna be in plum paper, and I was so excited. But last night I brought back golden coil and I added some tabs to it, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to make it work for me because there's just something about it that I really like and I gravitate towards. I don't like how big the hourly sections are, so I'm thinking maybe I just like tape it off and then write my to-do here and then write my meetings in this section and then create these little headers like this to separate each of the sections out based on what I need for that particular day. And then, like I said, I added those tabs so it's easy to like flip through to the various pages that I need and everything. There's just something about it. I can't put it into words why I keep coming back to it because it's just so different. It just feels right. So maybe I'll just jump back and forth between 3 planners throughout 2021. I don't know. But right now, it's golden coil for the time being. But of course, a couple more clips from now, that might change. So I just finished laying out this month's sticker stub. It's baking themed, and of course I had a blast with the puns on the little stickers, and then the decorative sheet is super cute. So this comes with a greeting card, a roll of washi tape, and this month's bonus items are 2 little cookie cutters. So I have since finished my embroidery project. I framed it and it's in Alex's office, and I did it so you could actually like still feel it and look at it. So it's just really, it's so fun. I just love it. I have 2 more that'll be here today. What are you doing? Don't scratch that. So I only have the digital file right now, but this is gonna be our Christmas card this year. So if you want to swap cards with me, the address is in the description of this video, and then you'll get this really cute card. There's little Gallifrey and TARDIS. Ugh. I'm like vibing the holidays right now. So in case you're wondering, I still actively play Animal Crossing, and Alex just helped me make these amiibo cards. So I printed off the outsides on sticker paper, and then he just got some cards from Amazon and like somehow magically got the characters onto them. So Tangy, Fauna, and Zucker are the next to go onto my island, and then a huge stack of other ones, so I'm so excited. So I swear that although it looks the same to you, time has been passing. My next embroidery project came in. I actually bought a set of 2. I will link which one I purchased down below. And I've already put it on a hoop. I'm using the wood hoop I used for my first project, and I'm very excited. This one has some fun new stitches that I get to learn, and they're on the back. So hopefully that is a nice tutorial to figure it out. But I really like this like canvas material.